Hey Snap Squad, want to get anonymous messages on Snapchats? Here how to use Sendit under 2 minutes. First of all, simply go to the App Store or Play Store and download the Sendit app by searching in the search button. Then simply after you have downloaded it, simply open it. After opening it, it will say to connect to Snapchat, launch the app and tap Let's Go. It will ask you to sign in with Snapchat. Tap Continue, then log in and authorize the access. Choose a game or prompt. Now you'll see many options here. Stickers. Now you'll see fun prompts like ask me anything or truth are there. Choose one you like, then tap to share on Snapchat. After you search anything and put your question here, simply click on share. After you have clicked share, Snapchat will open with the send it sticker. Customize your snap if you want, then post it to your story or send it to your friends. And that's it, your friends can now reply anonymously through Sendit. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you in the next one.